What if I told you that you could build a fully interactive, professional 3D STL viewer that runs right in your browser? No plugins, no paid software, just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And by the end of this video, you'll have built it yourself. This is perfect for your portfolio, a client project, or even for your 3D printing business to let customers preview their files. Stick around, because we're building this from scratch right now. Here's the game plan. We're using Three.js, the legendary 3D JavaScript library, to do all the heavy lifting. We don't even have to install anything, we'll pull it from a CDN. See? We're grabbing the core Three.js library, the orbit controls so users can drag to rotate, and the STL loader, which is the secret sauce for reading our 3D files. Now we will write the code for CSS to determine how our page will look like. We add some CSS to make the viewer look modern. The background uses a gradient, the STL container has rounded corners, shadows, and we also design a drag and drop area and a button to upload files. Let's set up a simple container. We'll make it look clean with a nice gradient background and a viewer area with a subtle shadow. This is all just cosmetic, feel free to get creative here. Now for the main event, the JavaScript. The init function is where we set up our entire 3D world. We start by creating the three core components of any Three.js scene: the scene itself, the camera, and the renderer. The renderer's job is to take a picture of what the camera sees in the scene and draw it on our web page. If we rendered this now, we'd just get a blank, gray box. It's dark because there's no light. Let's add some lights to the scene. Next, we give the user control. This is where orbit controls comes in. With one line, we get drag to rotate, scroll to zoom, and right-click to pan. It's honestly magic. Finally, we kick off the animation loop. This function runs 60 times a second, constantly re-rendering the scene, which makes the controls feel buttery smooth. Alright, the stage is set. Now, let's load a model. The load_stl function is our star player. We use a file reader to get the data from the user's file input, then the STL loader to parse it into a 3D geometry. One pro tip: models can be any size, from microscopic to gigantic. We need to automatically scale them to fit our viewer. We calculate the model's size and scale it down to a viewable level. And there you have it. A fully functional, great-looking 3D STL viewer, built right into a browser. You can now drag and drop files, orbit around them, and inspect your models. This is just the beginning. Imagine adding features like model dimensions, volume calculation, or even a price estimator for 3D printing. If you want me to build those advanced features in a next video, smash the like button and let me know in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss it. The complete source code is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.